Welcome to AI Tools, your survival kit. Embark on a journey into the advanced world of AI with us. Picture a world where technology isn't just a tool, but an extension of human capability. This is the world of ChatGPT, an AI marvel that doesn't just perform tasks, but understands, learns, and evolves, from crafting intricate poetry to managing a labyrinth of daily tasks. ChatGPT stands as a testament to the leaps AI has made. Its versatility is unmatched, offering solutions to writers, analysts, students, and professionals alike. Every interaction with ChatGPT isn't just a command, it's a conversation, a collaboration between human intuition and AI precision. But to label ChatGPT as just another AI would be an understatement. Beneath its sleek interface lies a world of advanced functionalities waiting to be explored. Personalization is at its core. Rename prompts, tailor your interface, and make the platform truly yours. Sharing insights, changing narrative tones, or even refining your emails to sound more professional becomes a breeze. With ChatGPT, you're not just using a tool. You're shaping it. Molding it to fit your unique needs and preferences. In our quest for knowledge, we often encounter complexities that seem insurmountable. But what if there was a way to simplify? To distill knowledge into its purest form? ChatGPT's Explain It to a Child feature is a testament to the art of simplification. Complex algorithms, intricate scientific theories, or dense literary texts. Everything is broken down. Making learning accessible and enjoyable. It's a bridge between curiosity and understanding. Ensuring that no topic remains out of reach. Yet, the world of ChatGPT is vast. Filled with nuances and hidden treasures. For those eager to delve deeper, the ChatGPT Mastery course stands as a beacon.
In this video, we are going to be diving into 32 tips and tricks within ChatGPT so that by the end of this video, if you are a beginner, you will be a ChatGPT pro.
It's a comprehensive journey. covering the basics and venturing into advanced territories. Plugins, web browsing techniques, ethical considerations, and more await the curious mind. And the experience is enriched with a community of like-minded enthusiasts where knowledge is shared. Ideas are exchanged and innovations are born. In the digital age, efficiency is the currency of success. And ChatGPT is the epitome of efficiency. Need to distill a lengthy article into a concise summary? Or elevate your website's visibility with SEO magic? ChatGPT rises to the challenge. Real-time suggestions, third-party integrations, and a keen understanding of digital trends ensure that your content not only reaches its intended audience, but leaves a lasting impact. Creativity thrives when it's unshackled. And ChatGPT's templates are the key.
ChatGPT can save you so much time brainstorming and writing content. That's why Keywords Everywhere created the Prompt Templates feature.
Every piece of content, whether a business proposal, a creative story, or a legal document, is infused with a unique flair. Gone are the days of repetitive content. With ChatGPT, every word, every sentence is tailored to resonate, captivate, and inspire. Technology and innovation walk hand in hand. And for those at the forefront, ChatGPT is an invaluable ally. Coding challenges, debugging sessions, or brainstorming the next groundbreaking idea. ChatGPT offers insights and solutions that are both innovative and efficient. It's not just about finding answers. It's about pioneering solutions. Education is the bedrock of progress. With ChatGPT, every study session is transformed into an enlightening experience. Interactive flashcards, in-depth explanations, and a plethora of resources ensure that learning is holistic and enjoyable. And beyond academics, ChatGPT serves as a confidant, capturing thoughts, reflections, and insights, making introspection a journey of self-discovery. As we conclude this enlightening journey, remember that AI tools is your compass in the vast tech landscape. For more insights, like, subscribe, and join our community. Together, let's shape the future of AI.